let's talk about affirmations. Hello there, it's Daniela, aka D. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about affirmations and how they can help your self-esteem, speaking things into existence, and promote positive thoughts. To begin, I'd like to find the definition of affirmation because, like I said before, what is life without definition? So, what is affirmation?
Affirmation is the act of confirming something to be true, or is a written or an oral statement that confirms something to be true. Statements said with confidence about a perceived truth. Positive affirmations are described by the Psychology Dictionary as brief phrases that are repeated regularly in an effort to encourage positive and happy feelings, thoughts, and attitudes in one's psyche.
Now that we have a definition for affirmation, I'd like to go over some benefits. So benefits can be
boost self-esteem, lower stress, change mindset, change behavior, and I'm sure there are many more.
How to create your own affirmations. Start off with thinking what change you would like to see in your life, in yourself. Then you turn the negative into positive. You want to make sure that the affirmations that you're trying to create will relate to your personal core values. Also, emphasize personal attributes as well as previous successes. Another key point is to write everything in present tense.
I have some examples for you of positive affirmations that you can use for yourself, or you can create others based off of what I have here. I also have some that are derived from scripture.
You know now what an affirmation is, how it can benefit you, how to create it, but how do you use it? Make it a part of your morning or evening routine. Say it before an important event like a meeting, job interview, presentation, anything that you consider as a big event, and you could meditate on it. Also, you want to say it like you mean it. So whatever you have created, whatever your affirmation is about, you want to say it like you mean it. And a way to really get it into your head, your system, is to keep repeating it. For example, if you choose to use your affirmations during your morning or evening routine, what you'd like to do is the moment that you're facing the mirror, you'd like to use your affirmation. So you want to say it out loud so you can hear yourself saying those words, as well as look at yourself in the mirror to be some sort of a validation. And keep doing that every single time, and just repeat it a few times, like 3 to 5 times. I don't know, whatever you feel like doing, but definitely make sure that you repeat it, that you say it more than once. Do you use daily affirmations in your day-to-day life? Please let me know in the comments down below. Please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when I post my new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're loved and you're blessed. Bye. Okay.